This is my pear tree, which I've had for a couple of years actually. I want to say about at least a good 6-7 years, and it never really grew. Just was never able to grow more than what you're looking at right now. Actually, last year it did grow some. Last year was maybe about right here. Let's see, it was about that high, and so it finally kind of started growing. I did start fertilizing a little bit more, and I have one small pear growing right there. I don't know what kind of pear it is, and I have this one. That's definitely growing a lot bigger. Last year it was huge, and we cut it early, thinking it was already done. It was, I'm not exaggerating, I think it was about that big. So this is my hand. That's how big this one is right now. Any suggestions as far as what kind of pear it could be, let me know. And this one up here, one fell off actually. It was a little bit bigger than that pear. This is the Asian pear. This plant this year. So it's growing. There's the other melon plant somewhere back there. These are my guayaba tree. It's called guayabo. So, and I got some little flowers going on right now, but still don't know if I tried hand pollinizing, but I haven't seen anything happen yet. So we'll see how that goes. And that's my pomegranate tree right there. That's an apple tree, which it's been raining a lot, so apparently too much water doesn't do too great with them, but we'll see how that goes. So it's kind of been going down. That's another pear tree, a hybrid pear tree apparently, or a honey sweet. What is it? It's a honey sweet pear, and that's supposed to be a peach tree mixed with, I think, apricot and something else. It's supposed to be hybrid trees. I got that last year, planted it, and finally this year started kind of flowering up. This is my other peach tree, which wasn't doing too well. It actually took a long time, planted last year, before it actually started, spreading out its leaves, and now I have that down there. So I'm kind of going to let it grow and see if I can cut a branch off in winter and splice it on there, see what happens. Now one completely died off, and now I have that little stick going on. These are supposed to be pruned, and either something's eating them apparently, because all the leaves are, little branches are growing. You can see it's kind of green, but everything else is really not doing too well. This is my lime tree, actually. Yeah, my key lime. I planted this one off of seeds as well, about 2 years ago actually, and I had to move it around twice, and finally settled down in this little hole right that you can see right there, and started growing. And finally started getting a lot bigger. It was actually about this year high when spring started, so finally grew out. These are some weird little oranges. I don't know what they're called, but it ends up giving some little orange limes. That's what they look like, the size of key limes, but they're orange, and it tastes kind of like an orangey flavor to it. A little cactus that I kind of just planted there, and it's going. Everything's going well. I have a hybrid, another hybrid tree, a bush. I don't remember what it was, but now apparently it's just the cherry portion of it, and hasn't bloomed or anything, but it survived the winter. Because they sent it on through mail. I bought it through mail actually, through I think it was I want to say Gardener's Choice. I can't really remember, and it was supposed to be a hybrid plant, and came with 3 different types of plants, and gave like a fruit cocktail tree, and that's what ended up giving. This is, I don't know what kind of chili tree this is, but this is supposed to be a pepper tree. I hand pollinated these. This is my second year with these, and I haven't been able to get a single pepper out of these. I don't know why. Hopefully this year it'll kind of work. But I started doing the hand pollinizing, and we'll see how that goes. And I don't know what it is, and that's as big as it's gotten. Although this little itty bitty right here, this one does give. I don't know why, but it gives little banana peppers about this big because it's yay high, so can't really do much. But just give me some. I'll get one banana pepper at a time every now and then. We'll see how it goes. Any suggestions? Let me know.